Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You will start by making the database file and opening Sqlite. Install Sqlite 3 or use the bundled CLI, check the version to confirm. Once done, pick a concise file name such as MyData. DB and navigate to a writable folder. Then run Sqlite 3 MyData, DB to enter the interactive prompt. You're now connected to an empty database. You can run SQL directly. Make sure to work in the correct directory so the file ends up where you expect. You'll create structure and populate it. First, define a table with create table users, ID integer primary key, name text, email text. This sets types and a primary key. Next, insert sample rows using insert into users, name, email values, Alice at example. Repeat for more data. Use transactions for batches. Begin, commit. This improves speed and integrity. Once done, run. Tables and pragma table info. Users to verify columns, and you will finish by querying, exporting, and ensuring persistence. Use select asterisk from users where name like a % to inspect results and add order by or limit for focused output. To export, set mode CSV, then output users CSV and run your select. Finally, output SD'd out to stop. When done, type quit to close Sqlite. This flushes changes. If something goes wrong, check SQL syntax first, then file permissions and any open transactions. Those are the common causes of silent failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.